and welcome to Shimi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a simple and easy recipe of peri peri fried chicken. It dawned on me that I never shared a fried chicken recipe here. My dear followers had always wanted me to share it. Okay, now coming to the recipe, I like to marinate chicken at least for 4 hours or overnight. For that the flavors really get into the chicken, and also to get that perfect crust is to place the fried chicken on a wire rack. Do not directly place the fried chicken on kitchen towel. There are more tips like these which will be mentioned by the end of this video. So please watch my video till it ends. And now let's see the process. So let's begin. Bismillah. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 3 tablespoon hot sauce. And now give this a very nice mix. And next I'm going to add 1 kg large chicken pieces. With skin or without skin is your option. Combine all the marinade to the chicken and marinate this for 4 hours or overnight. Next step is to add 3 tablespoon curd in a bowl. Add little water and mix nicely. And now I'm going to add all the marinated chicken pieces in this buttermilk. And again I'm going to marinate this for 10 to 20 minutes. And now let's prepare the coating mix. Add 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup corn flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon peri peri powder, or you can also use paprika powder. And now by using a whisk, mix nicely. Once the chicken is marinated, coat the chicken in the prepared mixture. Do it as directed. Next step is to add half cup cold water in leftover marinade. And now dip the coated chicken pieces in that marinade and then coat again with the flour as directed. Tap off excess flour and set aside or fry immediately. Heat 750 ml oil in a pan. Check with the skewer. If it bubbles around, then it's ready to fry the chicken. And next I'm going to drop the chicken pieces in hot oil and fry in medium-low flame without flipping for 8 minutes till it becomes crispy and golden brown. After 8 minutes, now you can see crispy fried chicken is ready to take out. And now drain onto a wire rack. Do not directly place the fried chicken on a kitchen towel. And next I'm going to sprinkle peri peri spice mix immediately on top of the crispy chicken. If you all want the recipe of peri peri spice mix, I have given the link above. Homemade peri peri crispy fried chicken recipe is ready to serve. Serve hot with french fries or any dip of your choice. Homemade peri peri fried chicken recipe bring all of the delicious crispy chicken joy into your home. Make sure you try this recipe. These are so good and very simple to make, and definitely worth making this at your home. Hope you guys love this video. Please give it a big thumbs up below. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your family and friends. See you next time. Take care and have a nice day.